going on behind me is tyre rotation, and that's what everyone should do with their four-wheel drive tyres. Whether you have 5 or 6 on wheels, you should be rotating them around the vehicle. It's the best way to get value for money out of your tyre purchase. A lot of people buy 5 tyres, leave the spare in perfect condition, run 4 till they're worn out, and then they finish up with an orphan as a spare. It's old and you shouldn't be using an old tyre by the time the 4 road tyres are worn out. Much better to incorporate the spare in a rotation program. You can pop into your friendly Bridgestone dealer like we've done this morning, and we're doing rotation here now.